Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a comprehensive guide on how to use Todoist for time tracking. This platform is a fantastic tool for managing tasks and optimizing productivity. So, let's get started. Firstly, log into your Todoist account. Now, this might seem obvious, but it's crucial because you can't track your time without accessing the platform. Next up, go to the task you want to track. On the right side of each task, you'll see a clock icon. Click on it. This helps us because it's the gateway to time tracking. This is where you'll start, pause, or stop the timer for that specific task. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a timer pops up. Here, you can manually enter the amount of time you plan to spend on the task, or use the timer to record how long the task actually takes. This is a crucial step because it enables you to accurately measure how much time you're truly spending on each task. Once you've completed your task, don't forget to hit the stop button on the timer. This is essential because it finalizes your time tracking for that task. Now, let me explain why this matters. By using Todoist for time tracking, you gain insight into how you spend your time. You can then use this data to better manage your schedule and increase efficiency. Before wrapping up, an essential tip to remember: Todoist syncs your time tracking data across all your devices. This means you can start tracking time on your computer, pause on your tablet, and stop the timer on your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to use Todoist for time tracking. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to apply these steps to make the most out of your tasks and time. Until next time.